If your microphone is not working on Windows 11 or Windows computer, laptop, or a desktop, this tutorial is for you. You have tried your microphone, your headphone is not working, you have tried different boards, you have added wirelessly, whatever you have. This will be a complete fix. Please make sure you watch the whole video and you will be able to fix it on your own. Now, here at the start icon, whether you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11, just do a right click. And once you're done, go to settings. Once you're here, at the left hand side, you will have many options and we need to go to this privacy and security. Once you click on that, scroll down and here you will have app permissions. And under microphone, I'll just click on that. Here we need to look carefully that whichever the application we are trying to use has the access permission turned on or not. So let's say if you're using Skype or any other meeting app like Blue Jeans or any other, so you can see here it should be turned on. So let's say if you're using Microsoft Teams, you can just make sure it is turned on. So once you have checked it, just close this and see if that works for you. If that doesn't, not a problem. We will move to the next step. And for that, you need to click on the search icon and type control. Now, the moment you do it, you will find best match control panel. Now, the reason why I'm showing this way, because it will work on all version of Windows. Even if it will work on Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. So here, I'll just maximize it. And you need to select view by either small icons or select view by large icons. So once you do that, a new window will appear like this where you have a lot of options. And here we are obviously looking for sound. So here we go. I have found the sound option under control panel and I'll click on that and a new window will appear like this. Now, please make sure you see this window and under playback, look which is your microphone. So for example, if this is your microphone, do a right click and click on set as default. You can also select default by just clicking here. All right. And also do a double click and then go to levels and please make sure it is set to the max. The pointer should be at the right hand side. Once it is done, you just need to click on OK. Do the same procedure in in recording. Look for whichever your microphone is and it should be set as default. So once you set as default, just do a double click, go to levels and see that microphone has the maximum volume audio sound or not. Once it is done, you just need to click on apply and OK. And see if that your microphone is working fine or not. If you still have issues with your microphone, click here in the search icon and type troubleshoot. And you will find the best match troubleshoot settings. And you will find other troubleshooters in Windows 10. You will find your troubleshooters like this, like internet connection, Bluetooth, camera, and all. So here you have a lot of options and playing audio, the most frequent troubleshooter. So run this troubleshooter for playing audio and also run this video playback recording audio because there are many people who you're using microphone to record their sound. So run that troubleshooter as well. Restart the computer, even try to update the Windows and then see if your microphone is working or not. And if you have fixed this problem, please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment which step has fixed your problem. It will be very helpful for others as well. Please hit the like and subscribe. I really need the support, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day.